In today's rapidly evolving world, the need for efficient energy usage has become more important than ever. Industrial automation has emerged as a powerful solution, revolutionizing the way energy is consumed and conserved within manufacturing processes. Join us as we explore how industrial automation helps in energy saving. Industrial automation refers to the use of advanced technologies and control systems to automate industrial processes, reducing the need for human intervention. It integrates sensors, actuators, and intelligent software to optimize energy consumption while maintaining high productivity levels. Industrial automation plays a crucial role in energy saving by optimizing and streamlining various aspects of manufacturing. One of the key benefits is the ability to monitor and control energy usage in real time. Through the deployment of sophisticated sensors and monitoring systems, industrial automation enables manufacturers to monitor energy consumption at a granular level. This allows them to identify energy-intensive processes or equipment and make informed decisions to optimize their energy usage. Industrial automation also contributes to energy saving through process optimization. By analyzing data collected from sensors and other monitoring devices, automation systems can identify inefficiencies, such as excessive energy usage during idle periods or suboptimal operating conditions. With this information, the automation system can automatically adjust settings, such as machine speed, temperature, or power usage, to minimize energy waste while still maintaining productivity. Thanks to industrial automation, we have significantly reduced our energy consumption. By optimizing our processes and eliminating unnecessary energy waste, we have not only reduced our carbon footprint but also achieved substantial cost savings. The benefits of industrial automation extend beyond energy savings. By embracing automation, manufacturers can reduce downtime, improve product quality, and enhance overall operational efficiency. As technology continues to advance, so does the potential of industrial automation for energy saving. Artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms can analyze complex data patterns, enabling predictive maintenance and further optimizing energy usage. Moreover, the integration of renewable energy sources, such as solar panels or wind turbines, with industrial automation systems can maximize the utilization of clean energy, further reducing the reliance on fossil fuels. Industrial automation is a game-changer when it comes to energy saving in manufacturing. By harnessing the power of technology, manufacturers can not only increase their sustainability but also boost their competitiveness in an ever-evolving global market. Join us next time as we explore more cutting-edge solutions for a greener and more efficient future. Together, we can build a world where innovation and sustainability go hand in hand.